All right, so hello. Okay, so we're trying something new here. We wanted to install Prometheus in our cluster. So what is Prometheus? Let's go to ChatGPT. What is Prometheus? Spelling of Prometheus in Kubernetes. All right, so this is the definition of Prometheus. In the context of Kubernetes, Prometheus is a monitoring and alerting toolkit that is commonly used to collect, store, and query metrics from various components within a Kubernetes cluster. Key rules of Prometheus in Kubernetes. Metrics collection. Prometheus scrapes metrics from endpoints, usually slash metrics, exposed by Kubernetes components, apps, and exporters like Node Exporter, Kubelet, etc. So I don't understand what this means. Number two, series service discovery. Prometheus uses Kubernetes API to automatically discover services, pods, and nodes so you don't have to manually configure target addresses. Number three, time series database. Stores metrics as time series data, which is efficient for monitoring trends over time. I don't know what that is. Powerful query language. PromQL Prometheus query language allows for flexible and complex queries of the collected data. Alerting Prometheus supports alerting rules when conditions are met. Example, CPU usage is greater than 90%. It can trigger alerts via Alert Manager, which routes them to email, Slack, PagerDuty, etc. Visualization, often used in Grafana, a popular visualization tool to display metrics in customizable dashboard. How it fits in Kubernetes. In a Kubernetes environment, Prometheus is often deployed using Helm chart, Kube Prometheus stack, Prometheus operator for managing configurations and CRDs, custom metrics exported by your own apps via slash metrics endpoint, common metrics collected, pod, CPU, and memory usage, node disk, and network I/O, pod restarts, scheduling times. Yeah. Okay, so without further ado, we have a running cluster, right? Um, let's check if we have a running cluster. K3D cluster list. So we have a cluster. What else? Yeah, I think that is all we need. Will now install Prometheus. Helm repo add Prometheus community https Prometheus community github.io/helm charts. Okay, so let's see what will happen after that. Copy that and put it in our um, this maybe add a Prometheus here .md. okay, has been added to your repository. Then helm install stable Prometheus, right? Installation field must either provide a name or specify generate name. What's this? Helm install stable Prometheus. So we'll put this one here first, that, and then let's solve this issue. Okay, so the error you're seeing, this one, happens when you try to install a Helm chart without providing a release name or asking Helm to generate one for you. Okay, so I don't know why I have to. Okay, so we'll put a release name. Okay, so release name will be VWX Prometheus release. Okay, let's try that. Repo stable not found. So what's this? Okay, repo update first. And then Prometheus community. Okay, so let's just change that. If you really need the old, yeah, I think, yeah, just as what I suspected, I think it's an old thing. Alright, so update complete. Happy helming. So what to do next? There are some alternatives to Helm, namely customize.io, which builds a layer of YAML while also creating a custom operator for your application to manage its life cycle. An example of this is the Kafka operator. Helm, however, remains the simplest way to customize and deploy applications. What else? So after that is installed, what's next? Um, so hang tight while we're browser got an update. So once I installed Prometheus, what can I do? What can I do? Once Prometheus is installed in your Kubernetes clusters, here's what you can do with it. Okay, port forward is visible. Okay. So after we do that, we will then port forward this to this. Okay, Prometheus server not found. No Prometheus after. Since we're confirming, since Helm list A shows no Prometheus release, that means Prometheus was not installed yet. But why did I have a successfully installed here? Why did I get a successfully installed? Okay, we only got an update, but we need to install. Install it first, bro. So once that is installed, you'll then do this. It's saying Prometheus server not found. So if you do this, that you have Prometheus. My Prometheus namespace is default chart Prometheus. Where did I put my Prometheus? So why did it give me my Prometheus here? Okay. SV is monitoring. Monitoring. There's no monitoring here. My Prometheus server. Okay. So let's change this to my Prometheus server. It's 80. That okay, 9090 localhost 9090. There's our Prometheus. So what can we do with Prometheus? Yes, alerts, status, target. Yeah, I don't know what to do with this, but yeah, glad to know we have that running. You have to put the 80 there because you're going to have a result something like this. So you'll have to select my Prometheus. Alright, so let's push this and then let's move on to another topic. Alright, cool, thanks. So if you don't have any $1,000,000 problem to solve, don't use Kubernetes, okay? Because the Kubernetes EKS is very expensive, and if you are a poor guy, you can't afford it. So just chill, just don't do Kubernetes, okay? Alright, cool, thanks, bye.